Good morning, everyone. It's Miranda here with Doing Life. I hope you're doing really good this morning. Today is day 18 of the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series, so welcome. So I know that I have skipped a couple days. I have not fulfilled my promise, but it is what it is. Everybody is just so busy during the holiday season, and so I know that you will forgive me. All right, so today for day 18, I have a Fashom box for you. So this is the second time that I have received a Fashom box, and I'm gonna let you know pretty much after this one if I'm gonna keep it. So here is my little thing, and the reason I'm holding this shirt. So this was the one item that I kept from my Fashom box last month, and I love it. It's by Paper Moon. It is really soft, but if you watched that video, you'll know that the button was missing on the cuff here. Well, I called them, or I sent them an email. They don't have a phone number, but I sent them an email, and they said that they would give me a $5 credit to pay to get the button fixed. So, you know, $5 is $5, that's fine. So I get the button fixed, get a new one put on, and it did come with an extra button, so I could get one put on really easy. Actually, my son's friend's grandmother did it for me. So anyways, so when I went, I thought, I'm going to put this shirt on because I wanted to wear it to work. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but if you look here, let me kind of sit up a minute. You can see, I'm hoping that you can tell, that this is the buttonhole, and that's the button. So they don't line up, but every other one's line up, okay? So this shirt was like a defect from the beginning. I don't know, I just was not meant to wear this shirt. Now I understand I can put this under a vest or something and nobody will ever know, and that's probably what I will end up doing, but it just may bug me too much that I have to just cut my losses on it. They did say that they would try to send me a new one. So, you know, their customer service is really good, and for that, I'm grateful. So, another thing, oh my gosh, like when you get boxes come out looking like this one is wrecked. And the girl at the post office, she was like, I didn't do that, I promise. And I'm like, no, I know. It's just, they're not as careful with stuff, I don't think. They're in a hurry, and so, all right. This tape has the little threads on it. It's kind of hard to open. All right. So this is what it looks like, just a box here. It'll make some good, we'll put it in the fire. It'll be a good fire starter. You get your little packet here, and you get a return mailer. You don't have to pay anything. The first two are free. You don't have to pay for them. And then I think it's $15 for each additional box that you receive after the initial two. All right, so that's the bundle here. Fashom, you do know what you're getting because you pick 5 items from their app and tell them what to send. So you do know what they're sending. And I think you can tell them, no, I don't want that. All right, and then it has a little F here, little embossed sticker. All right. So she did tell me that she was going to send me another plaid shirt like the one that I got before, just in a different color. So that's this. So I will be majorly looking at how it looks, because, you know, hopefully it was just the one, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it on. But anyways, this is in a different color. It's so soft, and so I'm gonna be really bummed if neither one of them are gonna work out. All right, then let's see. These are cut from the cloth. A pair of pants. They're like this plum maroon color. And they are called a Donna ankle skinny. Cut from the cloth. They're size 12. They're really soft. They have and they're stretchy. So they have good stretch to them. And they will match that shirt really good if the shirt is not a dud like the other one. Now with Fashom, if you buy 3 items, you get, I think, 20 or 25% off. All right, so here's a little light sweater. It is really light, so you can kind of, I don't know if you can see through it or not, but I can. But I like the color. I don't mind the color. So she went with some fall colors, which is good. I'll just sit back off of my ankles there a minute. All right, this one is by 143 Story, and it is a really soft black shirt, and it's got buttons that come up a little further here on the neck and not on this side, and then 3 buttons down the neck. So it is a pullover style. And then the last item in the box is this shirt. Everything is really soft, so I like the fabric of everything. It's just those plaid shirts from Paper Moon are getting me. All right, so it has a little neck thing here, so it's cut out at the neck. All right, so there's that. Alrighty. It looks like all of these things are gonna be really easy to try on, because the Paper Moon, this plaid shirt, it has all the buttons, and I did check, and it does button up even, so that's a winner off of the last one. All right, and then I put on the plum colored Donna ankle skinny jeans from Cut from the Cloth. What's that? All right, move it up a little. All right, so I feel like it's a little short. I wish it was a little bit longer, but the pants are really soft. So depending on how much they are, I can't exactly remember, but usually Cut from the Cloth pants are pretty on the pricey side. But here's the shirt. I don't know if I like the color or not. I'll have to look at the replay and see. There's the back. And then these skinny jeans, they fit really good. There's not a lot of gap in the back. I'm gonna buy me a stool so that you guys can see better. But these are the Cut from the Cloth jeans. All right, I have, what, 2 or 3 more shirts to put on, and I'm just gonna put them on probably with these pants. So I'll be right back. All right, so the next one is this shirt. I do not like this, and I'm gonna tell you why I don't like it. So I think the fit's okay. It fits pretty nice. But when I'm looking at it in the camera, I get dizzy. So I won't be able to look at myself. Not that I look at myself a lot in the mirror, but I don't know. If it makes me have that dizzy feeling, I don't know. Is it gonna make everybody else feel dizzy? And it's see-through. You can see that I have a black bra on, which I knew that I was gonna have to wear a tank or something under it. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. And it's really thin. I don't know. I don't know how well made it is, how well it's gonna hold up. after I wash it. So I'm not a fan of this one, but as always, let me know what you think. Alright, this is the shirt by 143 Story. I'm gonna, if I keep this, I'll definitely have to take these tags out that hang up the clothes because they're so itchy, and I don't know, the outside of the shirt is, or sweater, is really soft, but the inside kind of has an itchy fabric. It's not as soft as the outside. But I like the button detail here. It has 2 buttons that go up this way and then 3 here. And they are fixed buttons. You can't unbutton them. But it's okay. It's just a basic sweater. So if there were 2 things in there that I wanted to keep, then I might keep it to have the 3rd item to get the 25% off. All right, I have one more shirt and then I'll do the review. All right, this is the last shirt. I don't remember who it's by, so I'll let you know during the review. But it's my favorite shirt that I've put on. It's see-through, so I definitely have to have a tank under it, which I wear a lot of tank tops anyways, so it's okay. But I like the neck here, and I like that it's gathered. It's got the gathered hem down here, so you can kind of, you know, give it a little bit of shape. But it is really soft on the inside. It's got like that fuzzy material. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'm gonna put my other shirt back on and do the review. I'll be right back. I'm Miranda. Thank you for trying styling with Fashom again and choosing me as your stylist. In this box, I have selected an outfit consisting of comfortable yet trendy clothing items that will be the perfect new additions to your winter wardrobe. I hope you enjoy my picks, Morgan. So this is the 2nd time that I got Morgan, and this is my invoice. So the jeans, cut from the cloth pants. I did really like these. They were really comfy. They're soft. They're stretchy, and they cost $89. If I keep those, don't tell anybody. All right. Then I have this, which I'm going to send this back, I'm pretty sure. I haven't watched, I didn't look at a mirror when I tried everything on because I just went in the office there and there's no mirror. So I don't really know what it looked like, but it makes me dizzy just looking at it. So I don't really think I'm going to keep that, but let me know. It's the Natural Life Space dyed knit top in burgundy, and it's $42, so not a bad price. It's okay. This one is by 143 Story. It was probably my favorite with this little neck detail up there, and it's called 143 Story Brush Terry Top in taupe. It's $37, so I like that price too. This is another solid black V-neck in charcoal. It's $38, so there's that one. And then last but not least, the Paper Moon plaid print button down in burgundy. It's $32. So I like the price of these shirts. Not too bad. All right, so if I keep everything, the subtotal is $238. If you buy 3 items, you get the 25% discount. Adjustments $59.50. I'm assuming that that's off of all 5 items if I keep all 5, making the total $178.50. I'm not going to keep everything, I don't think, and I do have a $10 credit. All right, one more thing before I go. So I'm going to cover up my address here, but I got this in the mail today. So this is an Ebates check, and I just thought I would kind of tell you about it. I think I've told you in other videos that it's called Here's Your Big Fat Check is what they send it in. And I mean, it's $11.80 is what I got, but they were purchases that I was going to purchase these things anyways. And so I just turned on my eBay or my Ebates app, and when I checked out with that credit card that's linked to my Ebates app, it automatically gave me the rebates. So I think that's pretty cool. So $11.80 back on stuff that I had to buy anyways. I think they were Christmas presents. I think, it doesn't tell me, but I think one of them was JCPenney, and the other one, I have no idea. I don't remember, but anyways, $11.80. Oh, the Wantable. I got $7.80 back from going through the Ebates app to sign up for Wantable. So that's where the other part of the money came from. So I think JCPenney and Wantable. So if you haven't signed up for Ebates, I'm going to leave the link below for you, and you can try it out for yourself on stuff that you're already buying anyways. They have all kinds of places. Amazon, Kohl's, JCPenney, whatever. Alrighty, I hope y'all have a good night. Thanks for, or day, because it's day. I hope that if you are not a subscriber, you will hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll put these links in the bottom for Fashom and Ebates, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 19 of the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. See you later. Bye.